Yes, sir. As you can see, the um, moving average is acting as a support on the trend. It's acting as a support. If you look at it, move downward a bit. If I go back to my 15 minutes time frame, you can observe the trend in this form. Look at my trend line is drawn upward. Look at it from the 5 minutes time frame. It's drawn upward, and you can see the market is actually flowing in that direction. So I want to encourage you guys to take advantage of this opportunity. This is a wealth making opportunity. Take good advantage of it. Look at it, it's moving upward. Look at the trend line. My line is going upward, and the trend is moving alongside. It's a long buying trend until it breaks this line. I will not exit. I will continue buying and buying and buying until this line is broken. Broken, and you see the trend start moving in this direction. Then I will know it has satisfied the trend. Okay, so it's a good opportunity. You can grab it this morning and make good use of it to increase your equity. All right, see you guys in the next short video coming up. As soon as it breaks, I'll bring you a short video again to tell you the direction of the trend. Just hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to continue viewing my video and get latest notification. Thank you.